How to download and install Cisco's WebEx. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can download Cisco's WebEx. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is open up a web browser, and after you do that, simply search for Cisco WebEx. After you do that, you should be on this page right here where you'll find webex.com. Now there you'll find an option called download WebEx. All you have to do is press on it and open up the website. You can directly head over to webex.com/downloads.html as well. After you do that, press on for Windows 64, tap on this download option, and the download process should begin. After the download completes, you'll find the WebEx right here on your download history. If you tap on it, your downloaded package should open up like this. As you can see, the installer will do most of its work and you won't even have to do anything. If it does ask you some questions, just keep on tapping on next and yeah, it should start downloading. And after it goes to 100%, you'll have installed your Cisco's WebEx. And that's basically how you do it, guys. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.